What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn about how to use the incognito mode on the Claude Opus. So for that, the process is very simple, easy, and to the point. Make sure you follow the video till the end to get to know about it. Whenever you open up the Claude application, you will see this use incognito mode, or you guys can press Control upward arrow plus I, and it will take you to the incognito mode. It's very simple, very easy. Control Shift and I, and it will take you to the incognito mode. Now I'm in the incognito mode, as you guys can see it, and it says you're in incognito mode. So as I am in the incognito mode, my chats are not saved. I'm just gonna go ahead and ask simple questions related to, let me check Anthropic current documentation so I give you the accurate details rather than guessing. Mostly yes, with one important nuance. In incognito mode, your chat won't appear in your history or memory. It isn't saved to your visible chat history. Claude won't pull from it when searching past conversation, and it doesn't contribute to memory when you close link. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.